Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a stable Wi-Fi connection and TV power. First, check signal strength and switch to 5 GHz if possible because it reduces buffering. Next, restart the Tcl Tv from Settings System Power Restart or unplug it for 10 seconds to clear transient faults. Once done, open the YouTube app and take note of any specific error text or the app version in App Info. This guides the next fix steps. Now handle the middle, more detailed fixes. You should clear YouTube cache and data because corrupted temporary files often break playback. Go to Settings Apps YouTube Clear Cache/Data. If that fails, update the app through Google Play or TCL System Updates. If the official update is unavailable, consider sideloading the matching APK cautiously. Once updated, test network issues by switching to Ethernet, disabling any VPN or proxy, and changing DNS. Finish by restoring a clean state. Only perform a factory reset if app clearing, updates, and network changes did not help, and make sure you back up settings. After reset, reinstall YouTube, sign into your account, and verify playback and any account restrictions. If problems persist, use one key troubleshooting trick. Record the exact error code or message, reboot the router, and test YouTube on another device to isolate whether the TV or the network is at fault. This targeted info speeds resolution with support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.